Hi guys, Joe here. Just a quick one today. So I bought this setup from Temu, right? So when I go to the woods, I bring two Nalgene bottles of water, and that's usually enough. If I think I'm gonna struggle, then I bring my Grail with me, and then fill up as use along. That's doing it that way is fine. But if I have a second person with me, then I need more water. So I see a few people using this method is where they scoop up the water and then they hang it from a tree and it gravity feeds it down. So you have it like that. This goes into here, and then on this setup, this particular setup that comes from Temu, they hook up a straw or like a water filter straw, like a knockoff of I forgot what they call it, life straw, I think it is. So that will go into there, and then the fresh water will come out of here and go into a container or something, right? So what I thought about doing was this one, someone tested out, and it does the sediments and it does viruses, no bacteria, but not viruses. It does one or the other, but one of them gets through. So this is no use to me because it won't do viruses and bacteria. So I'm gonna skip this part out, and I'm gonna pop in my Sawyer. So that will go into there, and it does go over the top of it. So if I force it on, it'll be a nice snug fit, and then have that drip into whatever I want. It also came with a backwash straw for the front and a little water bladder to attach to, which this would attach to that anyway. So I just thought it'd be handy, but what's everybody else doing? Like, to me, this would be a much simpler system for more than one person. Do you guys use this as well? Let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. Sometimes the going back and forth to the water, the last time I went somewhere, the water was like 10 minutes away, and I don't want to keep going back and forth refilling bottles up that way. I just think if I can go once and I get, um, a good amount of liquid there. Was it 3 liters? 3 liter package there. So I think it's a better idea. Let me know what you think. So I'm mixing the Temu stuff with proper stuff, and this saved me some money. I'll put the price I paid on the screen for this, but it saved me a lot of money doing it this way than going on Amazon or somewhere else and getting a name brand bag and a hose kit. So all I'm doing is taking the worst part of it, which was the filter, out and putting a Sawyer in. Again, just throwing some ideas out there. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Catch you next video. Bye.